You're watching Explorer Vacations. Discover an astonishing variety of merchandise when shopping at City Market in San Miguel de Allende. From fresh, colorful produce and tasty sweets to delicious meats, wine, and cheese. When we visited, they were promoting gifts and decorations for the holidays. The market offers something for everyone, whether you're hunting for housewares, sampling delicious food, or simply soaking up the atmosphere. City Market is a must-see. Come explore the colors, sounds, and flavors of this incredible market. And now, we're going to stop talking and start walking. For travel ideas about Mexico and beyond, please visit our website, explorervacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.